Hello, awesome viewers. How are you all? Welcome back to another video. Guys, in this video, we are going to discuss about .gitignore file. What is this file? Why do we create this file in our Git repository or the repository we want to commit to GitHub? For that, guys, I just added a simple theory part to understand what exactly is this. When sharing the code with others, what we often do, we try to commit all the files, but few of the files are not needed, like log files, like temporary files, like hidden files, like personal files, etc. Git can specify which files or parts of your project should be ignored. But when you create git ignore file, this file will be tracked by Git, but what and all contents are present in this file will not be added to Git repository. Here it is specifying Git will not track files and folders specified in git ignore. However, git ignore file itself is tracked by Git. Okay. Now let us see how the git ignore file looks like. So as you can see here, this is a git ignore file. You can see .git ignore is specified here. Now, what are the modules which are not there? Slash node modules, Cucumber report, VS, ORIG, log files, PNG files, debug.log files, .js, .map, .d.ts, .test. So I'm telling here that these particular things should not be added to our Git repository. Now I can commit the code. Now I can push the code, but these particular files will not be pushed. Hope you have liked the video, guys. If you like the video, please click on like. If you're a new viewer, please click on subscribe. Till then, guys, take care. Have a great day. Bye bye.